Well, I did it. I got my 107, part 107 from the FAA. Day before yesterday, I took the test. Did okay. I missed 8 questions. I got an 85. But self-study, took some practice tests, watched a lot of videos. Appreciate everybody out there who put that content out and allowed me to learn. It worked out pretty good. The test center in Tallahassee was great. It was clean. 3 stations and all 3 were booked. I took about 40 minutes to take my test. I blew through it pretty good. Didn't really go back and double check. I felt confident with my answers. And I kind of knew the ones that I missed, and I double checked, and sure enough, they were related to weight and balance. And then one was the weather question. Learn the remarks in the TAFs. That's pretty important. Anyway, I'm out here now. I closed the restaurant for a day so that we could work on our drone business. It's going to be fun. I haven't revealed the name of it yet, but we're going to have a lot of fun with it and do some traveling and take some videos and just try to enjoy life. Here I am. I'm a FAA certified drone pilot. I even have the vest. Today I'm going to fly up there. So let's go flying. And that ends my first flight as a commercial drone operator.